Developing a project charter is the first thing to do in a project. This is during initiating process phase. A project charter is a document issued by the project initiator or sponsor that formally authorizes the existence of a project and provides the project manager with the authority to apply organizational resources to project activities. PMP Guide, 6th edition. Page 715. In our previous video, we tackled regarding project charter. Click the link for this video. Charters provide many benefits. Some are not so obvious. Allows an organization to formally authorize a project. Establishes the authority of the project manager and project sponsor. Helps to ensure projects are approved based on the business case rather than subjective opinions. Helps to ensure a better return on investment. Allows the project selection committee to consider whether the project aligns with the company's strategic plan. Provides information needed to orient team members in the project kickoff meeting. Allows the team members to review the approved charter when confused about the purpose of the project. Provides the project manager with a way to bring new team members up to speed when members are added initially as well as later in the project. Helps nonprofits to create grant proposals. For Agile approach, we tackled regarding this in our previous video. Click link to watch it in detail. Occasionally, someone asks, do Agile projects need a charter? Short answer: yes. Agile projects benefit in the same way traditional projects do. In all projects, the project sponsor can reduce risk and improve communication through the charter process. And keep in mind, for small projects, it doesn't take much time. Engage your key stakeholders. Work together in crafting this document. Furthermore, it's a great way of finding and reducing conflicts early. What do we need to develop a project charter? These are the IDOs of this process. The primary goal, outcome or output of these process are project charter and assumption log. High-level strategic and operational assumptions and constraints are normally identified in the business case before the project is initiated and will flow into the project charter. Lower-level activity and task assumptions are generated throughout the project, such as defining technical specifications, estimates, the schedule, risks, etc. The assumption log is used to record all assumptions and constraints throughout the project lifecycle. So we learn in very beginning of a project charter and assumption log are the very first project output. Enabled to achieve these outcomes, we need the inputs. Business documents, both business case and benefit management plan. Agreements. Enterprise environmental factors. And organizational process assets. To process the input to have these outcomes, we need tools and techniques of expert judgment. Data gathering. It can be brainstorming, focus groups, or interviews. Interpersonal and team skills. It can be conflict management, facilitation, and meeting management. And meetings. So having all these factors, we will achieve this outcome. Great job! We will tackle other project process in our next videos. Keep moving forward.